What's up, humans? Welcome back to Humanities with another how-to video. Today will be a quick one. I'm just gonna be showing how to hoop a hat for your brother Entrepreneur Pro 1050X machine. So let's get right into it. Today we're gonna be hooping an auto cap trucker mesh. First thing you wanna do when you get your hat, you take your protecting out of it. We're gonna be using these 4x8 backings. So you grab one of these backings. So this backing is so that the bobbin has something to attach to. It's a thread that goes underneath the stitching. So we'll be using the hoop tech. So we're just gonna slide this in here. Okay. And we'll take the left side. And we'll just kind of make a little hole so it holds itself. Next, you want to take your hat, you want to take your sweatband, fold it up. Fold your sweatband up, come on top of your backing, come all the way up. You want to make sure you're inside this hoop. So then with your sweatband folded back, you want to utilize your line on your hat to kind of center it along with your middle piece right here. Okay. So once we kind of got it centered, you just want to push that up. You want to push it all the way up, making sure your backing stays back, making sure your sweatband stays folded up. Next, you want to take your tension. Next, you want to take a tensioner. You just want to grab your hat, pop it up on the inside of your hat like that. And then we're just going to mildly push down. This is going to allow us to keep pressure down on the hat so that it's nice and tight. So while we got that hat nice and tight, you just bring your hoop over. Bring it over. You just want to clamp it in right here. You get your little clamping system. So you want to bring your hoop over. You just want to put it into your clamping system. Bring that down, clamp it in, and then we're going to release out this tension. And you just want to lift it up, take your hat from behind it, let it drop down, pick your hat up, and you got yourself a nice little hoop hat. Let's get ready to do some embroidery.